I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took.
Okay guys, I just pulled up in West Palm Beach to this second service call of the day. Gonna go see what's going on. System is not coming on, same thing as the other one, but I'm quite sure it's a different problem. Gonna give you a step-by-step play of what I'm doing, how I come up with my diagnosis. So just ride with me, stay tuned. Okay, so we just arrived in the attic. 2.5 ton system. Right away I could tell the system is, the pan is full of water. So we have these float switches like I was explaining in the last video that shuts the system down if the water gets too high. So here we go. Yep, that's the problem. Need to blow this drain line out and get rid of some of this water in this pan. If I get the water down, then the unit will come on. Watch this. Bang, system just came on. I pulled the black piece out of the water and the system came on right away. So these things, guys, are designed to shut your system off in the attic, especially because water damage. You don't want water leaking all over your house. So we install those things to safety. That's why it's called a safety switch, to shut your system down in any event that this may happen. So basically the line is backed up. It needs a service.
I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro.
Okay guys, we're in the back by the drain line. It's coming out of the attic and it's definitely clogged up. I'm gonna show you a trick. This is one of the oldest tricks. Homeowners use it, and it's always better, don't get me wrong, to blow from inside out, because this method here, you actually pushing stuff in and then it eventually comes back out. So if you do it about 4 or 5 times, you clear out the pipes, but it's always better to go from the inside out. But everybody, all homeowners, can get up in the attic and have a PVC cutters and cut the pipe and have some O2 cartridges to blow it out, or some nitrogen. So, you know, talking AC terms, but this is your easiest route. Without further ado, let's see what comes out of this. You want to hold that there for about maybe 8-10 seconds. Let's do it again. You want to hold that there, put pressure on it for about 8 or 10 seconds. There it is. You want to do that about 3 or 4 times. That would break up all of the disgusting allergies up in there. There we go. There it is. Gets all of that debris out of there. Breaks it up. This line is like a clogged artery right now, so we just unclogged it. As you can see, all of this allergies and slime build up, come out of there. You want to do that about 3 or 4 good times, and that would get rid of your clog, so your drain line will drain properly from the attic. And once again, guys, I'm gonna go in the attic, open it up, service it. But this is just a tip that homeowners could use. If your system is backed up, you could kind of unclog it yourself with a water hose, and that would at least buy you some time until you get a professional out here to service it. Okay, so we have our shop vac, Hvac. Gonna suck this water out of here, and also gonna suck the water out of this.
I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what?
Once that black float on the float switch was able to drop, the system automatically came on. So a lot of times your system is shut down because we have protective switches on these things that will shut you off, so you won't have water damage going down in your house. System is up and running. That was the problem, float switches. Well, actually the drain line was backed up, allowing the water to go in the secondary pan, because we have a pan that's in the unit and this is a secondary pan. So if this pan ever overflows, the secondary pan would catch it. And it did its job. It shut it off. So float switch saved the day. I hope this was a helpful tip, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Well guys, lunchtime. Got some curry goat. If you're ever in the Riviera Beach area, stop at Tony's Subs. Been coming here a long time. Ever since I came to America, over 20 years. Car repair shop. Got to keep the mechanics cool too. Got to keep the mechanics cool too. Just a little bit of water dripping. Okay, we'll fix that. Okay, shop vac, Hvac. Use this to suck out your drain line, clear out any obstruction in your line. Sometimes it's just not enough, it's not strong enough, but usually it does the job. If not, we'll go inside, cut the lines, the PVC 3/4, take a coupling up there, blow it out and glue it back together.
Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I'ma cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up.
Okay, now we on the roof. From the attic to the roof, guys. Never a dull moment. All you young guys looking for a little trade, a career. If you don't like to be in the same spot too long, this is it. If you don't mind putting up with the heat, you can make a decent living for your family. I'm up on the roof right now. City of Riviera Beach. Best cities to work, live and play. Spent a lot of years here in Riviera Beach before I moved. Yeah, that's my city too. I'm gonna go ahead and check the refrigerant on this. Save that for another video, guys.
All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low.